Sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa pagiging successful ng Tubiyag Parade, marami pong salamat. Sana hindi natin makalimutan sana yung nakasanayan ng ating mga ninuno. Ano yung kasanayan nila, ano yung mga hanap buhay natin. Saan man tayo mapadpad, ano man ang hanap buhay natin, ano nang mapasukan nating trabaho, sana di natin makalimutan ang kanilang mga kasanayan.
As we have already observed now, there was a unity among all municipal government, because we have the participation now is maximized, participation of the 11 municipalities. I think disregarding political affiliation, disregarding everything, what's important is that there was a unity.
I hope that with celebrations like this, it will make us better people, better persons as a Tawi-Tawians and as a province. Maraming salamat.
I am really gratified that everybody is supported, cooperate in the celebration of the 30th Kamardikaan ng Tawi-Tawi. That shows there is cooperation, there is unity among us as a people in one province. This will encourage us more to do more for our people and for the province.